Alright, yeah. Yeah. It's J 305 coming back with just one more video on my zippo. I'm probably not gonna do any more of this on my zippo. I'm probably gonna start doing other things. But once in a while I'll come back to zippos like this one. And once in a while I'll just have fun with it. Just do a little bit of squeeze sometimes. Light the lighter and stuff, like the lighter I suppose it. Other than that, I'm not gonna do much stuff. So yeah, I'm putting my zippo back in its box and saying goodbye to it for some time. See, and you guys can watch me as I drop it in the drawer where it goes. Okay, so slide open that drawer with all my stuff in it. Goodbye, zippo. Alright. And we're gonna get to that big beast right there. My BB gun. Famous Ghost Edition. All black, dust painted. So you guys, don't believe me and you don't think that I'm going to go out of zippos, like, just comment and I'll prove it to you guys. Like, you guys like this what's going down right now. I'm just like coming out of here on my zippo. You guys just saw my zippo. I'm not sure if it's just that it's a zippo that gives it like that. That gives it that like wow feeling when you hold it. But it's just like you just want to do it every time, and it makes you feel, just feels good. It feels a hole in your heart that no one else had for you.
Love you, friend.
So yeah, my zippo is most likely officially going out of business right now. So say goodbye to the zippo. For the long run, I've had it for a couple while. Had it for a while now. It's been good to me. Never messed it up. Nice, Alright. So yeah. I possibly could be selling it. I highly doubt it though. So yeah, if you ever want it, call me up or just hit me up on YouTube. And that's what's going down. G305, signing out.